The alert is still in place tonight. You're thinking, okay, why? Well, we still have the flood watch that remains in effect until 1. Tornado watch is in effect for Anderson County until 11 o'clock. Isolated storms still cannot be ruled out for tonight. It's not widespread coverage at all. It may be a 20 to 30% chance. Large hail and damaging winds possible as these storms move in or possibly develop for us. First alert satellite and radar combined shows that right now we are remaining relatively quiet through the majority of North Texas. The one severe storm that we had down through parts of Henderson County has now continue to shift its way to the east, well southeast of Tyler. Further to the south, though, still watching and monitoring a tornado warning for Leon, Limestone, and Robertson counties until about 8 o'clock. And here's the reason why. Seeing more circulation redeveloping, and this is pretty much over the county line to parts of the Limestone area, Robertson County as well. So we're seeing that shifting its way to the east at 15 miles per hour. So another circulation has redeveloped. So on that track, going to be in Bald Prairie right now. Marquez about 8 to 21 if that holds together. So that's just to the south of North Texas for us. You can't see across the Metroplex, not a whole lot happening. Seeing some rain and some heavier rain right now on the southeast sides of Rains County. The large view shows you that we do have a supercell storm near Altus, Oklahoma. The dry line storms that popped up, now that we're losing the heat of the day and the sun's going down, they are all dying out. So the chance of seeing any strong storms on the dry line to move their way on in really is dropping. But still, I can't rule out the chance of an isolated storm trying to pop up through the night tonight because of some leftover energy from storms we saw earlier today and even through yesterday. Now, going into tomorrow, we're going to be seeing that mix of sun and clouds greeting you through the morning hours. Another muggy one as you step on out of the door. The slight risk of severe storms in the forecast for today then shifts its way to the east tomorrow. So what's ahead tonight? Maybe that 20 to 30% chance at best of any showers or storms popping up. Temperatures in the mid-70s. But watch what changes going into tomorrow and Saturday. Mid-90s to the low 90s in the forecast. Tomorrow, 94 degrees, could feel like the triple digits. Very close to tying a record high tomorrow. So the flooding threat is there because the ground is so saturated. If we had a storm pop up in a short amount of time and then drop some heavy rain, we could see flash flooding quickly. So that goes until 1 o'clock late tonight into the early morning hours. Notice that the activity or the threat starts to shift its way to the east going into tomorrow. Most of tomorrow is dry. As we go into the afternoon hours, we might see a couple of isolated storms pop up. A lot of us won't see really any rain at all. Into the evening hours, maybe some of those storms trying to hold together. We're at 79 right now, south winds to southeast winds at 15, gusting up to 23. It's a muggy one out there. Across the Metroplex where we have more cloud cover in the mid-70s, where we saw more sunshine, still in the low 80s right now. It's cooler with rain cooled air in Athens at 72 degrees. So going into tomorrow, we're up to 94 degrees, precip chances around 20%. But I want to show you tomorrow that feels like temperature possibly in the afternoon, maybe 104 to 105. And we're not done with that. Going into Saturday, same story, possibly feeling like the triple digits as you step out. So please keep that in mind. We might have heat advisories this weekend. Then on Sunday, 97, Doug, the record's 99, but we do cool down to 92 for Memorial Day with some dry air moving back in.
Ooh, Lordy, that's a hot one.
Yeah.